Module 4, File Carving. Welcome to this tutorial on file carving, a crucial technique used in digital forensics and data recovery. In this video, we will define file carving, explore how it is done for different file types, and discuss the importance of file carving in recovering lost or deleted data. Let's begin by understanding what file carving is and why it is a valuable technique in digital investigations. File carving is a process used to extract files from raw data or unallocated disk space without relying on the file system's metadata. It involves searching for specific file signatures or patterns to identify file boundaries and reconstructing the files based on that information. File carving is particularly useful when the file system metadata is unavailable, corrupted, or when deleted files need to be recovered. It allows digital forensics experts and data recovery professionals to retrieve valuable information from fragmented or partially overwritten files. Now, let's explore how file carving is performed for different file types. File carving involves understanding the file structure and file signatures of different file types. Let's look at some common file types and how file carving is done for each. For image files, such as JPEG or PNG, file carving begins by identifying the unique file signatures that indicate the start and end of an image file. These signatures can be used to identify the boundaries of the file and extract the image data. Document files, such as PDF or docs, have specific file signatures and structures. By analyzing the raw data and searching for these signatures, file carving tools can identify and extract document files, even if the file system metadata is missing or damaged. Video files, such as MP4 or VI, also have distinct signatures that help in identifying their boundaries. File carving tools scan the raw data, search for these signatures, and reconstruct the video files by extracting the relevant data. Similarly, audio files, such as MP3 or WAV, have specific file signatures that enable their identification and extraction. File carving tools analyze the raw data, locate these signatures, and reconstruct the audio files. File carving plays a crucial role in digital forensics and data recovery. It allows experts to retrieve valuable evidence, reconstruct deleted files, and uncover critical information that might have been intentionally hidden or lost. By using file carving techniques, we can recover deleted photos, documents, videos, and other file types that are vital for investigations. It helps us uncover evidence and reconstruct the digital timeline, even in complex scenarios. File carving is an indispensable digital forensics and data recovery technique. This tutorial has provided an overview of file carving, its definition, and its performance for different file types. In the next tutorial, we will delve deeper into advanced file carving techniques.